Annara Sumanara. Before starting the video, let me tell you this video is especially for K-drama and K-pop lovers. In a whole drama, he is wearing a pendant of a butterfly that I like the most, and I thought, why not I order this and do an unpacking video on it. And here it is in my hands, and I want to unpack it as soon as possible to see the pendant I saw on a neck of my favorite star, chang wook. Of course, I'm a K-drama lover and I watched many K-dramas, and chang wook is one of my favorite celebrity, and it is an honor for me to purchase something that they are wearing, like every fan. So when I saw this, I thought um I will surely buy it, and I'm gonna show it to you guys as well. And I ordered it from daraz, and it is exactly the same as he is wearing in a whole drama. And not just a pendant, it's butterfly. Like I like butterflies very much. Every girl like, and every child like. But when you see something favorite on your favorite person, you can feel how amazing the feeling is. And when you get it and you have the same thing as your oppa, you guys can feel me right now. Nobody can better feel me, and see how beautiful it is. Like, it took my heart. After purchasing BTS products, this is my first time purchasing something from a K-pop or K-drama lovers, and I really like to buy things that they wear because their style and looks and everything is so outstanding. Like every K-drama and K-pop lover knows that they own the best style. So I'm going to wear it. Bye.
Oh, where have I been? Stupid silence,